In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in LibreOffice Calc. Conditional formatting helps your data tell a story by automatically changing how cells look based on their content. It's perfect for highlighting top performers, flagging outliers, or making trends stand out at a glance. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc, then open your existing spreadsheet. Once it's open, think about the range you want to analyze. Click and drag to highlight the cells you want to format. You can select a single column, a block of data, or even multiple non-adjacent ranges if that's what your analysis needs. Choosing the right selection now ensures the rule applies exactly where you expect. Next, go to the top menu and navigate to Format, then choose Conditional. From here, pick the option that matches your goal. Condition is great for straightforward comparisons, like greater than, less than, equals, or text contains, and you can compare against a number or another cell. Color scale applies a gradient, such as green for higher values and red for lower ones, so patterns jump out visually. Data bar adds a horizontal bar inside the cell to show magnitude at a glance, which is especially useful for dashboards. Icon set places symbols like arrows or traffic lights to quickly indicate status or change. Date is tailored for time-based rules, such as today, yesterday, this week, or next month, so you can keep time-sensitive information front and center. When the dialog box opens, set your parameters. Confirm the selected range matches what you highlighted. For a condition rule, choose the operator, like greater than, and enter the value or cell reference to compare to. For a color scale, select 2-color or 3-color and set your minimum, midpoint, and maximum types and colors. For a data bar, choose how to calculate the minimum and maximum and whether to show only the bar or the value too. With icon set, pick the icon style and define thresholds as numbers or percentages. For a date rule, choose the specific time period that applies to your data. Now decide how the formatted cells should look. From the Apply Style list, select an existing style or click New Style to customize fill colors, font formatting, and borders. Aim for clear contrast so your highlights are easy to read, and consider colorblind-friendly choices when using reds and greens. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the rule. Your formatting will update automatically as your data changes, keeping your insights current without manual effort. If something doesn't look quite right, return to Format, Conditional to adjust the rule until it communicates exactly what you need.